Imagine two people, same job, same salary, same dream of a comfortable future. One makes a small decision today, the other says, I'll start tomorrow. Years pass, their lives look identical on the outside, but underneath, one quietly builds a fortune. The other keeps running in place. This is the story of Mr. A and Mr. B. Watch closely because their outcome could be yours. Meet Mr. A. He is 25 years old, just started his first real job. His friends are buying new cars and upgrading apartments, but Mr. A makes a different choice. He decides to save 10,000 rupees every month, that's roughly 330 rupees a day, less than 2 movie tickets. He puts that money into a simple, low-cost index fund that has historically returned about 10% per year. He does this every single month, without fail, for 10 years, from age 25 to 35. No skipping, no excuses. Then, at 35, he stops. He doesn't save another rupee. He lets his existing money grow on its own. Now, meet Mr. B. He is also 25. Same job, same salary. He also wants to be wealthy one day, but every month, something comes up. A new phone, a weekend trip, a fancy dinner. He tells himself, I'll start saving next year. At 30, he says the same thing. At 33, he still hasn't begun. Finally, at age 35, Mr. B wakes up. He sees his empty savings account. He realizes he has lost 10 years, so he starts saving 10,000 rupees a month, the same amount as Mr. A, same index fund, same 10% return. But Mr. B doesn't stop at 45, he keeps going. He saves for 30 full years, from 35 to 65. That is 3 times longer than Mr. A. Let's pause and look at the numbers side by side. Mr. A saved 10,000 rupees a month for 10 years. His total contribution, 12 lakhs rupees. Mr. B saved 10,000 rupees a month for 30 years. His total contribution, 36 lakhs rupees, 3 times more money out of his pocket. Now, watch what happens by the time both turn 65. Mr. A's 12 lakh rupees with no additional deposits grows into 3.2 crore rupees. Mr. B's 36 lakh rupees after 30 years of disciplined saving grows into 2.1 crore rupees. Read that again. Mr. A put in less money, stopped at 35, and still ended up with over 1 crore rupees more than Mr. B. Why? Because of compound interest. The money Mr. A saved in his 20s had 40 years to grow. It doubled and doubled again. The last few years of Mr. B's savings had only 30 years or less to grow. Time is the engine of wealth. Mr. A didn't work harder. He didn't earn more. He just started earlier. And that small head start, 10 years, turned into a difference of over 1 crore rupees. Think about what that extra crore means. An earlier retirement, a house for your family, freedom to take that career break, peace of mind during a crisis. Mr. B is not a failure. He still built wealth, but he left a massive amount of money on the table simply because he waited. Now ask yourself, are you Mr. A starting today? Or are you Mr. B telling yourself next year? Comment below. A, if you start now. B, if you need a wake-up call. Subscribe for more wealth comparisons every week under 5 minutes. Your future self will thank you.